To show cleanup recommendations for large or unused files in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop and then select Personalize. Next, click or tap System and then select Storage and then click or tap Cleanup Recommendations. Select large or unused files and then you can see recommendation files to clear in here. For example, and then tap clean up to clean up. Select clean up to files. The selected files will be permanently deleted. Tap continue if you want. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.